I show you advice as a motivator to me. The day when I get shot, me I want a soldier them will save your life.
Yeah.
You see me? The day when I get shot,
yeah.
Me they always small and I work at the funeral. That done the funeral, we did go on and them say whole heap of retaliation and I go on and thing.
Yeah. So what you say you do? Cause me don't know what go on, you know. Let me tell you.
Yeah, wait. What you do? We don't want to hear the whole story of what go on.
Yeah, we want to know the point.
Yeah, the J was on know.
Yeah, may I tell you what go on? We did it and them say about retaliation and I go on and thing, you see me? And we dip on the ground, bro. So when everything done, we left. And when we left, the whole go on. Yes, when you reach a sub hospital before the whole chopper take you up and bring you come in the town, a whole heap of man will come in the hospital come kill the same way, bro. Believe.
No man never want to do that, bro.
Yeah. Listen, man. Bro,
just believe me, man. Watch out. Listen me. Me have one. Watch out, bro. Watch out. More while people get misconfused or misconcept. You see me? You see me show you this, dog. You see me now? I'm show you what happened to me. Unfortunate situation happened to me. You see what I say?
No.
Me just there at the wrong place at the wrong time.
No, me know what going on. I know exactly what going on.
And by the end of the day, it wasn't supposed to happen to me, but God know the reason why. He make me survive and he make it happen. You see me? I have to show a whole heap of people a lot of things, you see me? I have to show people a lot of ways. I have to empower people. And that's what I'm there, so.
You see, exactly.
You know, more you talk your point, because you're not really reach to your point, you know.
Listen,
get your point across, bad boy.
You see, exactly the same thing where you say, where God say make you survive and you're there, so for sure your point.
Yeah.
May I show you say the same day when we there at the hospital, bro, the same night. When we there at the hospital, bro, 4 hours there at the hospital, I got a whole
police?
Soldier, bro.
Yeah, soldier. Alright, listen what I say.
Listen to me, man.
Watch out, I'm going to rephrase what you say. You know, say, all of my friend them get locked up. My friend them say, all of people them think say, they come for,
Alright, listen to me.
My friend them, they make it look like say, and my friend them come for do me thing, but guess what? You don't know me a big artist, so when you all of my friend them, how much people come down, they're not going to know them. You see me? Them go just lock them up. So they lock up all of my friend them.
No, listen to me now. May I show you the difference, bro. Me know the police rep, me lock up people.
Yeah.
You see me? When you get airlift from Sav Hospital coming at town, I want an hour chopper them come airlift you. You see me? So me know
glory be to God. What you know? Glory be to God. Cause you tell me something right now where I see something. Like my people them that tell me. I must say I'm not aware. I must say you talk to somebody where they in our state where mood aware, you see me?
That's why I tell you what go on, me bro. Bro.
Yeah, because I first would never fly in a helicopter then.
Listen, you see before everything go down?
Yeah.
When you jump in as an artist, bro, you're one of my biggest motivator. Believe.
Yeah. So yo.
But me I tell you, say me dip on the ground when everything go on from start to finish. And me
you hear what you say a while ago. You're dip on the ground when everything go on from start to finish and you're a soldier. Right? You're a soldier, right?
Yeah, bro.
So, bro, G, where soldier them help did they?
Bro, but me I show watch you know. When
yo, hear me I say for a minute. Watch you know. We'll keep the meditation. We'll keep the meditation good and alive. You see me? We'll keep the meditation irie. Because we don't want none of them people over here. We don't want them over here. They bash the dog in a no farmer way.
Arguments.
Yeah, so we have to. Yeah, so focus. You understand? Alright, so by the end of the day, what That youth in there, because him probably just want to say two things for make we know, say, yo, what you know, Ryging, you don't know, it's an inspiration, it's a motivation to me. And you don't know. You don't know. He probably never get the chance to look for me and tell me, say, yo, what you know, from when that did happen, your incident, me did there around there and rare, but to never get a chance. If they know him, see me, I know him, get a chance for that. Everything in a one. We have a compress it. But you know, people don't understand. I don't want to feel. Don't watch it.
I do it, my bro.
Correct. You see me?